Now we're coming back to example 2 of our work. We want to divide the LCM of these numbers by their H.C.F. So let's find the LCM first. So using the row formula like we used before, we have 52, 68, then 112. So dividing through by 2, 2 in 52 we have 26, 2 in 68 we have 34, 2 in 112 we have 2 in this 5, 6, 2 again, 13, 17, 28, 2 again, 13, 17, and 14. So don't be surprised when I write 13 here or 17 here. It was because 2 cannot divide them, and we still have 28 which 2 can divide. That is why we are using our 2. So when you discover something like this and you discover that 2 cannot divide, or your number you are using to divide cannot divide such numbers, and you have something that can be divided, so you can just write down the number like that and continue until when you get towards where they can be divided. So now again we have 14 which 2 can divide. We use 2. 2 in 13 impossible again, we write down our 13. 2 in 17 impossible again, we write down our 17. And 2 in 14 we have 7. So now we look through what can divide them through again. The only number that can divide through in this place is 1. And if we don't use 1, we use the smallest number between them, which is 7. So we write 7. 7 in 13 again, which is impossible, we write our 13 down. 7 in 17, impossible, we write our 17 down. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we use our 13, which is still another smallest number between them again. 13 divided by 13, 1. 17, then we have 1. So the highest number there again is 17. 17 divided by 1, 1, 1, 1. So our LCM now will be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 13 times 17. So if we multiply these 3 together now, we're going to use our calculator to do this. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 7, 16 times 7, we have 112, 112 times 13, 112 times 13, give us 1456 times 17 again, give us 2424752. So that's 24,752. So let's solve for the H.C.F now. Let's solve for the H.C.F now, then we now divide through. So H.C.F of 52, 68, and 112, 2. Then 2 in 52 we have 26, just like what we have here already. And 2 in 68 we have 34, then we have 56. 2 here again we have 13, 17, then we have 28. Then if you look at it here, there is no any number that can divide through again without remainder. We are not solving for L.C.M in this place. If you look at here, what we are solving for is L.C.M. That is why we divide. We make sure that everything was divided. Every number was divided. But in this place, because we are looking for the H.C.M, we have to stop it in that category where that figure divide them through. And when we cannot find any number that can divide all the figures at the same time without remainder, so we stop it there. So That means our HCF in this place is now HCF is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So dividing the L.C.M by the H.C.F, that will now be taking our L.C.M 24,752 divided by 4, and that will give us what? Let's divide it by calculator. Divided by 4, we have 6,188 as our final answer. So this is how to do something like this if you are asked to divide the L.C.M of any number by their H.C.F. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.